Hey there, it's JT from Work It Daily. Veterans Day is coming up, and I want to make sure that all of our service members have the support and resources they need to find a job in today's market. I know how difficult it can be for you to transition from active duty to the private sector. This is not an easy task at all. Did you know that according to the US labor statistics, 326,000 former military were unemployed in 2018? In my opinion, that's 326,000 too many. I understand how frustrating it can be to be unemployed or underemployed after you've served your country. And that's why I've built a really robust tutorial called the 8 Ways You're Being Shut Out of the Hiring Process. Thousands of professionals like you have found this to be a complete eye-opener, helping them to understand how they can change their strategy in order to remove the roadblocks and get the job they want and deserve. I encourage you to sign up for this free tutorial because it's really going to help you understand how you can go after and achieve that civilian life that you're looking for. And more importantly, as a bonus for all the veterans that watch this, you will get special access to an extreme discount on our program. As a veteran, you've served our country with honor and bravery. And now it's time for us to serve you. Please let us show you how to find the job of your dreams. Sign up for our tutorial today and let's get started.